Namaste, all the beautiful, beautiful souls. I, Rupa Khanal, your medium for tarot guidance, welcomes all the beautiful souls on my YouTube channel, White Tara Tarot Reading. So, beautiful souls, we are again back with the monthly predictions for all the zodiac signs, starting from Aries to Pisces for the month of January 2021. So I take this opportunity also to wish all the beautiful souls a very happy and a prosperous new year. Beautiful, beautiful Taurus, the most content zodiac sign amongst the 12 zodiac signs. Let us see what the month of January 2021 has stored for the beautiful Taurus ascendants. With the blessings of your guardian angel, Archangel Chamuel, I have is your soul's voice. This is the symbol of the Taurus. One more symbol I have here is the bull. So beautiful Taurus ascendants, I have energized and shuffled 3 cards from the deck so that I can predict the general predictions for the month of January 2021. So when you look at the energies of the 3 cards, what I find is this new year is here to remind you what you are capable of. So we have got 2 cards from the Pentacles, that is an indication of money and money. So double bonanza, 2 cards we have got from the Pentacles minor arcana, which is bringing you a lot of financial stability. To begin with, the Queen of Pentacles, definitely this card is here to remind you what you are capable of, what your real identity is, what your real personality is. Beautiful Taurus ascendants, because you have been lately underestimating yourselves. So this card is here to remind you that you are a powerhouse and you are full of the caring, the nurturing, the loving person, excelling in the feminism. No matter of your gender, the beautiful Taurus ascendants, you are strongly feminine, nurturing and caring. So this is for your reminder. And the Queen of Pentacles is reminding you what you are. You are someone who is artistic, someone who is sociable, someone who is sympathetic, someone who has got expressive eyes, and someone who has beautiful approach, imaginative approach towards everything. You are the most honest, most loyal, devoted to those who loves you, right? So you pay back what you get. So this card is here to remind you what you are. So I hope that this is a kind of shaking for the beautiful Taurus ascendants. And what is the next energy the card is bringing for you? 8 of Swords, beautiful souls. If you can look here, the person is blindfolded and there is a balance and the eyes are attached on the balance. So definitely 8 of Swords is bringing in energy of ending all restrictions. So month of January will bring energies which will help you end all your restrictions. So restrictions will fade. That is the energy of the new year, January 2021, for the beautiful Taurus ascendants, and you will do something for which you have had always this kind of hesitation, that is to take help, to ask for help. But this time, the new year energies are helping you transmute your energies, and you will definitely seek for help, ask for help, when you feel that a help can definitely bring a lot of positive vibes around you. So you will keep your pride aside this time, and then you will ask for help, seek for help, and all your feeling which you are right now, your thoughts of heaviness, of powerlessness and something, if you're feeling that the luck is not favoring you, this is the kind of thoughts flowing into your mind right now. But immediately after you watch this reading, you will know that the month of January will help you end it all, because you are taking help and restrictions will fade, beautiful souls. So that is the energy of the Eight of Swords for the beautiful Taurus ascendants. All your frustration, all your boredom, all your restrictions will fade away. And what I'm finding is that actually the restriction is from your side, right? You have strong opinion about everything, and then you restrict yourself with boundaries and limitations. So you will be able to come out of your own restrictions, and this energy will be blessed to you in the month of January 2021, beautiful Taurus ascendants. Let us see what are the energies of Nine of Pentacles. If I talk about Nine of Pentacles, beautiful souls, this is bringing in definitely the money, prosperity related to money, comforts related with money, and month of January, you are going to spend a little of your money towards buying some luxurious furniture which you have been wanting to buy for a long time. It could be a chair, it could be a study table, it could be a couch, necessarily something luxurious in the form of furniture, and you're going to get connected to the nature through gardening. So little of your money is also will be spent to buy some pots, some fertilizers, some manure, some seeds, some watering bags for gardening. So you are going to spend money for the luxury and relaxation, and there is no better way to get relaxed than getting connected to the nature. So the month of January, you are ready to get absorbed in the luxury and relaxation, and you are going to spend a good time in the lap of Mother Nature, beautiful souls. And this card is also bringing in the energy that besides relaxation and besides bringing in comforts, money, and prosperity, this card is here in the pile to let you know that all your misfortunes have been put in a bag, in a shack, and they have been held somewhere in the faraway places to never to come back. So the month of January is ending all your misfortunes, beautiful souls, and you have to be very, very careful about your wealth and your riches. Make sure that whenever you're leaving your place, your home, your office, make sure that you lock up everything nicely, right? Because money is flowing in, so you have to take well care of money. You cannot be careless and keep all your keys and important documents scattered everywhere. So take good care of your wealth, of your documents, of all your valuables, and see that they are kept in proper places and in the lockers, and the lockers are locked and the keys are safe with you. So beautiful Taurus ascendants, that is what the month of January is bringing. The month of January will remind you your real personality, your real persona, right? And it will help you open your eyes as if you have been shaken up from a dream, and Eight of Swords will help you end all your restrictions and take help, seek help, so that you can grow and you can come out as a better person, and you can restrictions will fade away following the month of January. And the Nine of Pentacles is bringing in the energies of money, comfort, gardening, spending money on gardening, on furniture, and taking care of all your valuables. So beautiful souls, enjoy what you have, the material pleasures as well as the nature's love. So that is what I have got for the beautiful Taurus ascendants. And enjoy your new year. Wish you a very, very happy and a prosperous new year once again. Beautiful Taurus ascendants, take good care of yourselves. Astu. Namaste.